So today it's 5th of September, Monday, and we've just entered our positions, a very wide triangle, 17,050 and 18,000 triangle. Like today, I'm actually a bit busy. Actually, I'm doing something else as well. So which is why I've decided that I'll go with a very out of the money triangle, wherein I hardly have any premiums. Like today, if you'll see, I've collected hardly 34 points of premium, and that too out of which I've paid 5 points as debit. So yeah, for now the plan will be to sit on it as usual as far as I can, and yeah, that's it. Hi guys, so it's 9:43, and I've just shifted my puts from 1750 to 17,100, and yeah, also I get this question of what is the basis for your adjustments? Like, tell us the rationale for when do you adjust and when do you don't. So, I would say it's pure price action and it's very, very simple. Like, there's nothing which is very difficult to understand. So, here, if you all see, now the reason for me rolling up my puts is very simple. This opening candle, after this opening candle, we have this two halt candles and then again a very bullish candle. This very much tells you all key right now the bias for the markets is bullish. So it's very clear key if I have to make that extra 1 or 2 points, you'll have to be aggressive on the put side. So that is when what I do is I rolled up my puts from 17,050 to 17,100. Also, it balances my premiums in a manner, but the reason or the bias for adjustments or getting to know the direction is only one thing. You'll have to understand how the price works. So here, like if also I'll have to if I have to tell you all on Friday. So as soon as this opening candle was broken in the third candle, 925 candle, the bias was very clear. The direction is downside. So here, if I have to tell you all, yeah, as to like I on Friday I started with this 1,000 points triangle, and if you all see, as soon as I got this candle wherein it broke the opening two candles or the opening candle slow, what I did was I shifted, like I shifted my puts from 17,050 to 17,000, and I also simultaneously brought down my calls from 17,050 to 17,000, and I'd also shifted my puts to an extent wherein I went 150 points down. Like I'd started with 17,050 and I went directly to 16,900. So the crux of it is very simple. You observe the price action, and from what you understand from that price action is what you trade. So I can give you many examples from this. Like and the best thing that I would tell you all, if you really want to understand about price action is there are many YouTube channels which discuss price action in detail. Like one is the power of stocks, the Ashish Kyal, even he explains beautifully about price action. If you really want to learn price action, आपको ये सारे चैनल्स को फॉलो करके आप खुद को सीखना पड़ेगा. मतलब वो आपको ऐसे स्पून फीडिंग कोई भी नहीं करेगा एंड कोई कर भी नहीं सकता. अगर आपको मार्केट्स में ट्रेडिंग सीखना है तो इट इज समथिंग विच यू विल हैव टू टेक इनिशिएटिव. इट इज नॉट लाइक समवन एल्स विल कम एंड टीच यू. मतलब आपको कोई सिखा नहीं सकता, ये आप खुद को सीखना है. तो अगर वन मोर थिंग विच आई वुड सजेस्ट इज द चैनल्स, अगर आप मुझसे पूछो तो ये पावर ऑफ स्टॉक्स, obviously, like I don't think anyone would not be knowing if it's trading power of stocks. Also, one more thing wherein from where I learned price action was this Ashish Kyal. ये भी like बहुत अच्छा price action समझाते हैं. Then one more thing is Madras Trader. Even he talks about price action in length. So अगर आप ऐसे नहीं समझो कि नॉन डायरेक्शन है सो यू डोंट हैव टू हैव अ सेंस ऑफ डायरेक्शन. आपको अगर सेंस ऑफ डायरेक्शन है तो ही आप नॉन डायरेक्शनल स्ट्रैटेजी भी ट्रेड कर पाओगे. सो या द की टू अंडरस्टैंड माय स्टाइल ऑफ ट्रेडिंग इज टू बेसिकली अंडरस्टैंड प्राइस एक्शन. एंड अगर मैं आपको प्राइस एक्शन का एक सबसे बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट जिसने मेरी ट्रेडिंग बहुत ज्यादा बदल दी थी वो था डाउ थियोरी. डाउ थियोरी का ये पॉइंट की जैसे ही समझो, whenever you see a candle which closes above previous day's high, the trend, like you start a trend, and whenever like opposite happens, whenever the candle closes below previous day's low, again a new trend is started. So अगर मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल दूं तो देखो, from here on I think for next 10-20 days not even one candle closed below previous day low. तो देखो ये फ्रॉम हियर द ट्रेंड स्टार्टेड, सी ठीक है, ये वाले से समझो, दिस इवन दो इट क्लोज्ड वेरी नियर टू यस्टरडेज हाई, but समझो from here as well, if you see it has been how much, 16,900 to 1,000, 1,050 points rally, and this was the candle from where, like this is the first candle which closed below previous candles low. So ये एक कॉन्सेप्ट ने मेरा ट्रेडिंग बहुत ज्यादा अलग लेवल पे बदल दिया था. तो अगर इफ दिस हेल्प्स, like this is what I told you. But yeah, अगर आप प्राइस एक्शन समझते हो, then it is like I don't think I'll have to explain every other move of mine, every other adjustment of mine. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. So it's 10:16 and if we see markets अभी consistently higher highs बना रहे. देखो ये लो, फिर ये लो, ये वापस हाई तोड़ा. So इट इज वेरी क्लियर कि डायरेक्शन अपवर्ड है, तो उस हिसाब से अपन अपने पोजीशंस एडजस्ट करेंगे. सो नाउ वी हैव 17,100 and 150 is trading at 3 points higher. So what I'll do is I'll adjust this again. I'll book 17,100 and 17,150 I'll sell. सिंपल, एकदम सिंपल. जैसे अभी प्राइस एक्शन हायर हाई बन रहा है, खत्म. विल बी aggressive on the put side as well. So this is what we are doing. So what I'll do is ये मैंने ऐसे लगा लिया. इसमें और कुछ भी नहीं सोचना है. दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू थिंक एवरी. बस प्राइस एक्शन को फॉलो करना है एंड मार्केट जैसे जैसे जा रहे हैं उस हिसाब से आगे बढ़ना है. अगर समझो ये वी हैव अ फॉल्स ब्रेकआउट एज वेल, वी हैव नथिंग टू वरी, वी ऑलरेडी हैव अ सी व्हिच इज मच हायर देन द पी. सो अगर समझो ये फेक ब्रेकआउट भी होता है, इवन देन वी आर सेफ अंटिल सम 30-40 पॉइंट्स एटलीस्ट, बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी हैव अ सी व्हिच इज कॉस्टलियर देन द पी. सो या, दैट्स इट. As of now, we are good with around say 1 point of little less than 1 point of profits, and we are sitting on say some 40 points of triangle, I think. Yeah, 40 points triangle. Hi guys, a quick update. It's 12:35 and now we have again moved up our puts from 17,150 to 200, and yeah, like as I told, we are continuously forming higher highs and higher low. Like this is what I like. This was the higher low, higher low, higher low, and again we broke the high. So yeah, as of now we are following the markets. We are rolling up our puts as and when we have it. Like whenever we think we have another breakout, and if we see here, our SL for here was 25 and the high which the option made was 24.9. So we we were saved by just one single, thus 10 paise. So it happens this way as well. Like majority of the times it works out against you, but there are also times when things go in your favor by 10 paise. So yeah, that's it. As of now, we are still in 2 points of profits. If we see, it has been a completely trending market, and in spite of the trend, today being a Wednesday, we are in 2 points of profits. I think we've done a good job. Okay, yeah, that's it. Hi guys, it's 2:22, and we are sitting in good say 5+ points of profits. We'd almost touched 6 points, but yeah, as of now we're sitting on a 800 points triangle, 17,200 and 18,000. And yeah, it is a very balanced triangle, I would say, like 1919, no imbalance at all. And I expect it'll decay another 5 points by EOD. So let's see. As of now, the plan is to just sit tight. Hi guys. So yeah, it's almost 3:15 and time to exit. Like we did not get any DK in the last 1 hour of the session. But yeah, that's how it is. I think now we will have to exit. It's high time. Like my trailing SL was 14,000 and we are already sitting somewhere around 14,000. So I think I'll just completely cut my position. So yeah, that's it. That's what, three, four points for the day. Not very great actually, but in the second half we got absolutely no DK. So just couldn't help. Yeah, that's it for the day. 3 points for the day. Yeah, thank you.